Failing to connect to a Wi-Fi network can be frustrating, but there are troubleshooting tips that you can try. And through this video tutorial, we will show you some tips when your Windows 11 computer does not connect to a network. Now, one tip you can try first is forgetting the network and adding it again. You can do this by going to Network and Internet, followed by Wi-Fi. Now, once you're in Wi-Fi, click on Manage Known Networks and choose Add a Network to add it again. You can also try turning off airplane mode or disconnecting the VPN you're using. You can do this by going to Settings, click Network and Internet, select VPN, and then toggle everything off. Next, having the metered connection option on can also be the culprit. You can turn it off by going to Settings, select Network and Internet, choose Wi-Fi, select Manage Known Networks, choose the network, choose Properties, and then toggle off metered connection. Another tip you can try is to reset the network. Do it by going to Settings, select Network and Internet, and choose Advanced Network Settings. After that, click Network Reset and choose Reset Now. And those are the ways we have for you that would hopefully fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.